Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am here to solve this quadratic equation by another method, completing square. Completing square means the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab or a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is equal to a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So completing square means complete the whole square formula. So this method is the most important and some tricky as compared to other two methods, factorization and quadratic formula. So firstly, understand how to calculate or how to start this completing square method. The first condition for completing square is the coefficient of x square should be 1. The coefficient of x square should be 1. This one in this question, this is also 1. Then the other step is to move the constant value, means the without variable, such that minus 195, move from left to right form, to means to separate from variable. So x square minus 2x and minus 195, move from left to right, minus, it becomes a plus 195. So this form, this one, this is a question mark, this is our requirement. Okay, so let's start how to complete a square. This is a square, the first term square. So find the second term whole square. So by adding whole square of which terms? Whole square of which term? Remember student, in any question, when the x square is 1, means they take the coefficient, only coefficient of x. When the coefficient of x square is 1, so use the coefficient of x, only the coefficient of x. In this question, this is a 2. So the 2 divided by 2. Why? Because this is a format of a square minus 2ab. 2ab, and from 2ab means this 2. Neglect from this 2. This is divide the coefficient. Generally, shortly, I said the half of the coefficient, means the half of the coefficient of x. X coefficient is 2, then half means divided by 2, this one, and directly is 1. You can also direct use as a 1, because this 2 cancel with this and final result is 1. So take the square of 1 by adding square of 1 on both side. Okay, so by adding the square of half of the coefficient of x. Student, understand and memorize this word, half of the square of coefficient, this one, half of the coefficient. By adding the square of half of the coefficient, any coefficient of x, 2, 5, 3, anyone, then divided by 2 becomes a half, and take the square, then add on both side, means the x square as it is minus 2x. The second term is also right as it is, and add. By adding means add an extra term, this one, which is 1 square equal 195 plus 1 square, this one. Add on both sides, this one and this one. And this one, where from? From this. From this. The coefficient of x. Okay, the coefficient of x, which is 2 and half, take the half of the 2 means 1. So square of 1. Understand? Now this becomes a whole square. A square, b square and minus 2ab. Student, this is according to formula of a square plus b square minus 2ab. This becomes a whole square. This term, the first term, take x, and second term 1 square, take only 1, and the central term give the sign which is a negative, this one. So that the whole term becomes a whole square of x minus 1. This one, the whole square of x minus 1, and equal to 195 plus the square of 1 means 1. So student, this important step is called a completing square. Okay, so now all the left side remains the same, this becomes a whole square. Now apply the calculation on the right hand side, then 195 plus 1 is equal to 196, and this one x minus 1 whole square. And for solving for x, taking the square root on both sides, taking the square root on both sides, this one, taking the square root on both sides, and square root cancel with each other. This becomes x minus 1 and 196. The square root of 196 means plus minus 14. All of you know about when we take the square root means plus minus. In the 9th class square root topic, you study about the plus minus. When we take the square root in any question, we use the plus minus. And now plus minus, these are two values, and solve this question for two values of our variable x. X minus 1 is equal to plus 14 and x minus 1 is equal to minus 14. Minus 1, move left to right, and minus 1 becomes a plus 1, and result is 15. The first value is x is equal to 15, and similarly minus 14 and 1 becomes a plus 1, and result is minus 13. This one, these, see student, these are two results, x is equal to 15 and x is equal to minus 13. There are the two different roots of this quadratic equation. The quadratic equation, the degree is 2, means there are the two results. I hope you understand this question, this important method, completing square. I hope you understand, and if you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.